70 Fairlane's all torn apart. Heading to blast. It's Saturday now, it's heading to blast on Monday. So it'll be done next week. I'll have a video showing everything that was uncovered. I know where the rust spots are, but it's nice to get it sandblasted so it blows through stuff that's real thin. That way you can fix it while you're in that process, rather than if you didn't get it blasted, you may not see some spots that come up through once your car is put together. So gonna load it up on the trailer and take it down, and then I'll show another video of whenever I get it back. With everything blasted, I'm gonna load up doors, fenders, extension pieces, valances, all that stuff to get blasted too. So there's lots that need blasted. So thanks for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and thanks for everyone that has watched any of my videos, or if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.